And so I think that right now there's incredible variability, and you basically have to be looking at the latest COVID stats for any given state, any given region, in order to know how they're thinking about it. A good example, we have been working with Texas Medical Center in Houston for the past couple of months, and they've been completely fine moving forward. But as we all know, as of this past week, suddenly the COVID crisis hit Houston really hard. And so for us, it's just about being adaptable and recognizing that, what an administrator, what an executive, even if they're CEO of a hospital system, what they tell you one week is just going to be different than what they tell you the next, based upon what they're experiencing. So we've learned that we need to be very, very sensitive and very, very understanding and patient